engine room detailing. Let's take a look at this boat. See what we got going on. We want to do a really nice detail. We want to sell this boat. So what we're going to be focusing on is the highly visible things. Granted, the whole engine room needs to be washed completely clean because it's very dirty. As you can see, it's just real dirty. Now, everything gets completely washed. And as I noticed, various things like chips and dings like this, I like to address these things, and it's going to make it look presentable. Okay, and then let's go inside the engine room. I got my pretty little helper right there. That's my helper. Okay. Yes, what we're going to do is start from the very back and just clean the whole entire engine room. The ceilings, all the walls. Everything gets carefully cleaned. All the electronics, all the outboard stringers, everything, bulkheads, blowers, and really clean everything. Get all that dirt, and grease, and soot off of everything. As you can see how dirty everything is. And you have to be very careful around the electronics, which I specialize in. And what we're going to do is clean these motors up real good. They're not in super bad shape, but they can definitely use some work to bring them back to par. And we're going to address, things like this, a lot of chips and dings here and there, And what we're going to do is focus on a lot of this stuff. Maybe do a blend painting here, once it's all clean. These definitely need to be painted, bare aluminum turbos on both sides, and address things like this. Take the overspray off, off stuff like that. And the trannies, that's just spray paint. Those need to be painted to be super shiny. Makes them look like they have less hours on them when they're really clean and painted. We definitely want to address places like this generator. You see how dirty it is, and then we're going to take care of corrosion throughout the engine room. Like this transmission. It's flat. It's supposed to be really shiny. I can also eliminate that oxidation on that aluminum down there. And just make everything look as good as possible. So that we can sell it. Being I'm here, I would like to actually put a coat on that, make them white. See how yellow it is? I'd like to paint it white. And touch up these engines really good so that they all look uniform, because you get different colors, burnt paint and stuff like that. We want to eliminate signs of usage. We might want to make it look like the boat has low hours, and by detailing it very good, it'll look like it has low hours. We're going to clean all the metal and everything, and everything will shine real good, and do a blend painting as much as possible. And these motor mounts, I think I would like to address these. Make them look nice. We could paint them, or I can just polish them with the metal. But all this needs to be cleaned real good. and spot painting throughout the whole entire thing. So stay tuned. Talk to you soon.